Hey, so we're on the tram. We're waiting to go to Hollywood Studios, and today we're going to hang out in Toy Story Land. Yay!
We're gonna have lunch, dinner there.
Yeah.
See how that goes.
And then, yeah, so we got a few fast passes for it and everything, and then there. So we went here about 3 weeks ago, and I'll link the video of that down below, so you guys can check that one out. But we will see you guys when we're eating food, I think.
If an item should fall from the tram is in motion, go ahead and raise your hand.
So we're in the Fast Pass for Toy Story Mania. It's what? It's like 35 minutes.
Yeah.
But for Easter, it's really not that busy. Let's see who wins.
Alright, we'll see who wins.
I'm green, Brian's yellow.
No one likes to see the winner. It's so exhausting. Oh, Amber got the best of vehicle. So how's it feel to be a winner?
How's it feel to be a loser? It sucks, huh? I know how it feels. Because you beat me on a lot of other stuff. Like what else?
Oh, I still have my glasses on.
What else you beat me at? Buzz Lightyear?
No, you beat me in Buzz Lightyear. I beat you in Men in Black.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. If you know, leave a comment below and leave me some hints so I can beat you.
Don't.
We're eating at Andy's lunchbox, and I just wanted to show you guys what's on the menu. We did the mobile order. Okay, so unfortunately we have to stand because all the seats are taken here. So keep that in mind. There's really not a lot of places to sit here. We got kids meals because we're not that hungry right now, but we wanted to try it out for you guys.
And we also have reservations for the sci-fi place. It's like we sit in the car and watch movies. So
Try it out.
oh, I gotta go first?
Yeah.
I got the grilled cheese.
Jimmy Soldiers lining up.
I'm in the shade. That's not bad.
Is it good?
It has like Parmesan cheese or something. It tastes like Mighty Melt.
So there's turkey, tomato, lettuce. Not that bad. There's just a lot of turkey.
Oh, those are like, wow. And then,
It's the bread that Disney uses. Like, if you get the tuna one at Harbor House at Magic Kingdom, it's the same bread in that. I think you're getting the full.
oh,
Same bread from Harbor House.
alright. So, we'll finish up eating, and then we're gonna go ride Alien's Swirling Saucers. So it's pretty cool.
The food got really messy though towards the end. But that was just the kids though, so who knows what the adults are.
So the other thing too to think about at this quick service, it's not really good for picky eaters like me. Cause you're kind of limited.
So, right, so like if you want to try new things, then this is probably like a good place to do that because they have those like Pop-Tarts. That might be a dessert for later on. I'm not sure yet. But
Yeah, the chocolate hazel and then the raspberry. The chocolate hazel has the bacon on it.
yeah. So, I mean, take a look at the menus and stuff before you come, or download the app.
Which, like,
My Disney experience.
so the mobile ordering is like a godsend.
Definitely use it.
I am. I love this one. This is awesome. I don't know why I love that. This has some like sick airtime Oh, look, there it is. It has come a long way. Sorry, I had a pose.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
By far. So fun.
And as the years go by, our friendship will never die.
So, we're on Swirling Saucers.
If you get the purple, from what we've noticed, it goes a little bit faster. But we could be wrong.
It could be our imagination.
Never
Who knows?
know. Or it like cuts faster or harder.
Everybody likes this one.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
But, you know. It's so cool at night though. I think you saw it on the last video.
Yeah. I think it is on the last one. I
Is
think we rode
it?
twice.
Are we keeping the sunglasses on or off?
I don't care.
What are you? Put it on.
I'm gonna get elbowed, I already know it. It used to be smooth.
You know what it looks like?
See you guys.
Alright, so it's not quite dark because our fast pass is now for Slinky. But we just wanted to show you like the difference as of right now. And then maybe when it gets a little bit darker, we'll show you more.
Agreed. Park closes early today. It actually closes in 30 minutes.
Want to know why Buzz is so relaxed lately? He says it's because he had a light year. A light year! It's a play on his last name. Oh, come on! How come people laugh when Potato Head tells jokes, but when I try, people just stare at me?
That's funny though.
Yeah. There's Buzz.
Look. Alright, here's the second launch, guys.
Here we go.
Nothing but sky! There's tower right over there.
Bigger and stronger too.
Oh, that's so fun.
But none of it will ever love you the way I do. Just me and you, baby. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me.
I think I feel a song coming on.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead.
So you get seated throughout the ride. Take it super tight to those sunglasses.
I think so too. So it's a 5-minute wait to get back on Aliens.
Alien saucers.
Alien saucers. Swirling.
We're trying to
saucers.
rush to get to our reservation, but 5 minutes, why not?
Yeah. It took longer to walk through the queue than it did to get on the ride.
Pulled it out. Really close.
Are you kiting?
Head tells jokes.
All right, guys.
But when I try,
That was
people
our
just
time
stare at me.
today.
It
Went to
was-
Toy Story.
So fun.
It's a lot of fun. I thought there would be a lot more people than what there was. There wasn't. It was so fun though.
It's Easter Sunday, so that might be why.
Yeah.
But we are headed over to our reservation, but we just wanted to say this concludes this portion, and then we'll have another video probably later on with our experience there at the restaurant. So
we're gonna have a lot of videos coming out. So if you guys want to see any more, or let us know in the comments of where you guys want us to go or to see, or if you see Snow Park, say hi. We're gonna be here a lot more.
yeah, we finally got settled in, so we'll be posting a video, a home vlog with our new house and everything. So we're excited.
So see you guys in a while.
Yep. See ya.